A Spokane law firm says that those affected by this water contamination deserve justice. KXY4's Grace Ditzler working for you. She's also in Airway Heights tonight. And Grace, this law firm says it expects more people now to seek damages from the Air Force.
Nadine, Perkett and Trotman have already filed one legal claim against Fairchild Air Force Base, seeking $1 million for a property owner who lives near the base. Now, lawyers Andrew Biviano and Brian Beggs tell me they expect to represent multiple other people who have been affected by the PFAS-PFOA contamination. In May, we met with Milwy Holler-Kanega.
It's heart-wrenching. Now, I can't use my property. My house is contaminated because of the water system. And I am furious.
While she's the first to take legal action against the Air Force Base for the ongoing water crisis, her lawyers Andrew Biviano and Brian Beggs say she will not be the last.
There's a lot of facts to untangle here, and who knew what, when, and who's responsible for the damage that's been caused to all these people that unwittingly trusted the water that came out of their tap.
They have identified 4 main groups of people they say have been affected by the contaminated water. First, people with homes and wells right by the base.
Polluted, they can't drink the water, their property values destroyed.
Second, people who've been drinking Airway Heights water.
That's a whole group that's not their property damage, but their health needs to be monitored.
Next, Airway Heights businesses that have been affected. And finally, people who've been drinking the polluted water for a long time and have health issues their doctors say are related to this type of pollution.
And people are just kind of figuring that out with their doctors right now.
Beggs and Biviano say many people have reached out to them.
We've received more than a dozen calls from people who have serious health issues that they can pretty directly trace to the water in Airway Heights.
And while Beggs and Biviano say the current wing commander is doing his best to handle the situation, more needs to be done for the people who've been affected.
I feel like people are rallying, but we have to remember it's not enough to rally right in the middle of a crisis. You have to make things right for people at the end of the day.
People who suffered because of this through no fault of their own deserve compensation for being damaged without doing anything wrong.
And Fairchild's wing commander, Colonel Ryan Samuelson, gave us a statement this afternoon that says, "We understand the concerns that affected community members have, and we've provided information necessary for them to file claims. The property and personal injury claims that Fairchild Air Force Base has received and any future claims the installation may receive related to the PFAS-PFOA matter will be forwarded to the Air Force Legal Operations Agency in accordance with Air Force policy." Reporting live in Airway Heights tonight, Grace Ditzler, KXLY4 News.
Thank you, Grace.